Aditi and welcome back to my channel Let's Talk in English. So today I'm back with the 6th part of the daily use basic English sentences series. So keep on watching. Number 1. No, not at all. Na ekebare na. Number 2 is pardon, maaf korben. Number 3. Perhaps, সম্ভবত. Number 4. No, I can't remember. না মনে করতে পারছি না. Number 5. Let me see. আমাকে দেখতে দাও. Number 6. Just a minute, please. দয়া করে একটু অপেক্ষা করুন. Number 7 is maybe, হয়তো. Number 8. Just as you like. আপনি যেমনটা চান. Number 9. Perhaps so. সম্ভবত তাই. Number 10 is just so. ঠিক তাই. Number 11. Perhaps no. সম্ভবত না. Number 12 is no, not yet. না এখনো না. Number 13. Shall I wait? অপেক্ষা করব কি? Number 14 is once more please. আর একবার দয়া করে. Number 15. Yeah, that will do. হ্যাঁ এতেই চলবে. Number 16. Thank you. ধন্যবাদ. Number 17. Terrible, isn't it? বিশ্রী, তাই না? Number 18. That will suit me perfectly. আমার পক্ষে সেটা খুব ভালো হবে. Number 19. That's all. এই সব. Number 20 is oh no. না. So if you like my teaching, then make sure you like my video and let me know in the comment section if you have any query, and share my video with your friends and family members, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon on to get all the notifications whenever I post any video in this channel. Thank you.